Alright, this is Aquanet, one of my patients under care. And Aquanet, if you could just kind of give us a little history on what you kind of had, some of the problems you were having before we started care with you.
I had sleep apnea, back pains, lower upper back pains from numerous car accidents, and that's pretty much it.
And some of the things you tried before starting care here?
Mostly for the back pain, it's been muscle relaxers, which help at the moment. They put you to sleep.
And then they come back?
And then it comes back.
Yeah.
For the sleep apnea, I was given a CPAP machine, and what that does is just forces air into your lungs at night. And that got kind of annoying because you can't really sleep like you want, so you're still not sleeping.
And since you started, 'cause it's been a little over a month, just some of the changes you've already seen.
My back pain has stopped. I get it every now and then, but for the most part it's gone. I've even started exercising.
All right.
I've lost a few pounds.
Excellent. Excellent.
And my sleep apnea is pretty much under control. I am not waking up in the middle of the night like I was before. I was waking up because I couldn't breathe, and I'd wake up choking and coughing, and I don't do that anymore. I haven't had an episode in probably about 2 months.
And how cool is that?
That's amazing.
I mean, just that is so great to hear. And but you know, at the same time, just for people that don't know what we do, we're not treating the sleep apneas and the low back pain. We're just treating subluxation, the damage to your nerves that actually it makes your organs not function right. So we take pressure off her nerves, and you can see she's no more sleep apnea. I mean, how cool is that? You don't have to have a machine to sleep at night. So just one of the many miracles we see here at Gateway Chiropractic. Thank you.